To connect to your own SAP system, you need to import the server transport. This can be found in the zip file that you downloaded. The server installation guide will show you which transport you need to import, depending on which version of SAP you are using. There are two transports provided. The first one, the server functions transport, is mandatory. The second one, the minimum authorization role, is optional and is used to help get you going. Each transport is made up of two files, one that starts with a K and one that starts with an R. These two files need to be copied to the relevant folders on your SAP server. The file starting with a K will be placed in the Co Files folder, while the file starting with an R will be placed in the Data folder. Remember to ensure that the transport files themselves have write permissions. Now we can log into SAP. Using transaction STMS, we can go to the Transport Management System. We then select the import queue to add our transport to. Now it's time to start the import of the transport into this SAP system. We can monitor the progress of the transport, clicking on Refresh to see what steps are being performed. After a short while, the transport would have completed, and we are then ready to connect. Optionally, you can run a transaction in SAP to test that the import was successful and to test if a particular user has the relevant authorizations. Within minutes, you are ready to connect with any of the Excel for Apps Wands products.